Ayun na, naka-purple dress.
Hello! Isa pa.
Ang ganda naman ng dress. Di ko pa na-picturean yan. Talaga may pa-headband siya, oh. Excited ka? Saan ba yung Doc mo?
I'll hug you.
Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang? Ayaw mo ng group hug?
Eh, gusto ko si Doc Rob eh. Para, hindi ko kasi alam kung ilan na ngayon eh.
Nitong isang araw ibinahagi ng aktres na si Katrina Halili ang masayang bonding moment nila ng pamilya, ang ex-husband na si Chris Lawrence at anak nilang si Kitty. A simple co-parent day, samahan nyo kami as we pick up Kitty Labs from music class, share some real moments, and end the day with a chiropractic session with Doc Rob's Chiropractic in Quezon City. Thanks Mr. B. Chris Lawrence. Okay, explain natin dito ba't nakadress. Yan ang gusto ni Katie na late nang gising papa niya, kaya na diretso na yung Cairo. Dapat uuwi para magpalit. Ganyan din nangyari ako naman nang na-late. Sana okay na, captions ni Katrina sa ibinahaging video.
Mama, tama na mag-Victoria. I wanna change dress na.
Ang ganda naman ng yellow. Please, yan na lang muna.
Wala pa ako sinuot na violet dun eh.
Ay! You farted! Ano ba yan?
Oh, my loves, good morning. Samahan nyo kami today.
Okay na yellow?
I mean, gusto ko ito eh.
Pastin natin muna yung purple, okay?
Okay po.
Ayan, susunduin na namin si Katie. Ops, teka lang, mag-ano ka na dyan pala. Kakanan ka na. Kakanan ka. Oh, ayan, di ba? Video pa more. Dito. Kakanan ka dyan. Kakanan ka dyan, di ba?
Ano ko dito sa ilo?
Ayan, video pa more. Mali-mali. Doon lang sa parang eskinita. Katie, tara!
Ayun na, naka-purple dress.
Hello! Isa pa.
Ay, sus, ba't naka-smile?
Oy, wait, kiss! Diretso na daw tayo. Ano, hindi ba?
Kaya. Oh, where are we going? Hindi ko alam yung daan dito.
Diretso siguro.
Alam mo?
Ata. Ang ganda naman ng dress. Di ko pa na-picturean yan. Talaga may pa-headband siya, oh. Excited ka? Saan ba yung Doc mo yan? Ano yung sakit sa'yo ngayon?
Wala po.
Ay, wala.
I mean, I think konti isa ba?
Konti sa back. Where?
Ay, gusto ko naman pa kayo ngayon.
You need to tell Doc, saan masakit? Konti. Ay, dito. Lower back.
Huwag dito kasi
Mama din eh. Sakit ng lower back ko, di ba? Can you tell Doc, sakit ng lower back ni mama ko.
sakit ng lower back kagabi ni mama.
Pero ikaw masakit din?
Konti lang po. Ay, Miss Katie.
So,
You're back, huh?
how are you?
Nice.
Hello, Doc.
Hi.
Kaya ma'am.
May pahag siya pa.
Okay. So we do another Cairo adjustment, huh?
Ano yung masakit sa'yo, Katie? Lower
Back
back?
is hurting.
Konti lang daw po.
Okay.
Let me go on that side.
Can you move? Yan, nagkata. Yan, here. Kamay.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. First, we'll do a little bit here. Actually, we can do it a different way. Yeah. Let's just do the lower right. Let's go this way. Face me on your side.
Face na.
There you go.
Oops, here. Dito. Ay, uy, dikit na.
One side for a second. Maybe scoot down. You're a bit high. Yeah.
Ay, Katie, parang... Gusto mo pa ako?
Ready?
Ano nangyari? Side lang, anak, side. Yan.
And this comes up. Good. That's straight. There you go.
Malapit na kami.
Okay, right here. Let's breathe in and exhale. Better?
Exhale.
Exhale.
Okay, keep that straight.
Yes, Kitty.
Kaya mo yan.
This comes up. Good. Good. Okay, let's go the other way.
You have to breathe.
I did earlier. Yeah.
Okay, this is straight. Good. Loser. That's straight.
Inhale, Katie.
Okay, let's take a deep breath. Exhale. Good. Oh, not our body weight.
Inhale. Exhale.
Natanto ba ako?
Exhale.
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Shorter and then the lumbar elbow.
Thank you so much,
You're
Doc.
welcome.
Can you hug me?
Group hug.
Group hug? Group hug? Bakit si Doc la? Sali. Yan. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sarap.
Look at your mom when she says side like that, huh?
Breathe. Exhale. Good. Okay, let's go face up.
Laway.
Good. Okay. So you're back, huh? Back. Ooh. Good. Good.
Okay.
Don't be tense, baby.
Tama.
Okay. That's how I'll do.
Yung lower back.
Okay, lower back here, huh?
Katie.
Okay, let's breathe and exhale. Good. There's one. Now we'll do here. Let's go towards me. On your side. Okay, up. We're gonna put this here on the elbow. Great. Right here. Let's breathe and exhale.
Ooh.
Okay. Turn.
Mr. B.
Let's go. You just arrived?
I just arrived, yeah.
Last night?
I got back,
A little stiff. A little bit. Okay. Let's just do this one. one. Okay, good. There's still one more here. Just relax the shoulder. There we go. That's better. There we go. Okay, you're ready. Good job.
Ang ganda naman ng dress.
Hanggang ano
Hindi ko
oras?
yung napicturean. Katie, diretso na tayo kay Doc Rob.
Diretso na?
Upo.
Kala ko 1 p.m. pa.
Sir, that's the first we started with the neck. Because you went face up. Oh.
Kaya, ikaw yung nag-start mag-isa.
So that's. Just go on, just take what you can get. Okay. You start with this up. Okay.
Ikaw naman pala.
You know what I've been having? Lower back pain. Yeah, your hip is really off.
Lower back,
So let's go this way.
aging.
Usually we do this. Well, airplanes and different beds and all the work, all the stress, it accumulates. Good, relax. Oh. Okay, let's go the other. Okay. There. Okay. Deep. Good. Face up, face up. Face up? Yeah. Just like that. Up. So now much better. Yeah, earlier it's like shorter.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Short.
The hip is off, so the hips rotate, create a short. Yeah. Not that you're short.
Short
The leg
legs.
was a little shorter. Yeah.
Short legs,
That's
yes.
like a little shorter leg. Okay, tapos na. You're all set.
We got the one down here too?
Yeah.
Yay.
This one. The lower? Yeah, look at
Thank you.
Thank you.
Katie, ba't ayaw mo kami gusto mo si Doc Rob lang?
I'll hug you.
Gusto mo si Doc Rob lang, ayaw mo ng group hug?
Eh, gusto ko si Dr. Eb. Parang, hindi ko kasi alam kung ilan na ngayon eh.
Ilang?
Ilang beses ka na nagpa-Cairo?
Nagpahag.
Ay, kinakount mo.
Mama, I won't singil you. Hindi po ako nagbebenta ng hug.
Hug? Baka may bayad tong hug mo, ha?
Wala.
Promise?
Never may bayad.
Never may bayad yung hug?
Yes.
I'm sure may kapalit to.
No. Ayoko may bayad yung hug.
Don't singil, Mama, please. I want a free hug from you always.
Lahat naman free.
Totoo ba?
Opo.
Promise, ha?
Okay po.
Walang kapalit tong hug, ha?
Okay po.
Promise?
Opo.
Up, maraming nanonood.
Hey.
Guys, promise ni Katie, free lang yung hug.
Opo.
Promise?
Opo.
Totoo?
Opo.
Promise?
Opo.
Maraming nagwa-watch, ha? Huwag ka maniningil, ha?
Okay po.
I love you.